Trailhead process here. Today we are gonna do this project, quick start build and to create code fast. So let's go ahead. First of all, you have to what we are doing here is we are gonna build the agent by using the agent force, and so that they can create codes automatically, so we don't have to go and create the code manually. We are automating the code process, so that's why it is a coding man agent. Okay, so what you have to create a new developer edition. So you can just go here. Okay, just put your information here. After that, by using your email, it will send you the link. Just reset your password. If you want to be, if just use a basic Gmail, that's enough. Okay, then you have to connect it with the Trailhead. I think you can do it here. You have to connect the Trailhead here, so just make sure that everything is going okay. So I'm gonna just start. So first of all, we have to enable it. Let's go to setup, Salesforce pricing setup. Okay, so let's go. I'm already here opened. You can go to setup by clicking this. A new tab will open. So I'm just gonna start here. Sorry. Okay, click here, and then we have to go to the sync pricing data section and click sync confirm. Okay, sync pricing data, we have to click sync confirm. Okay, and then we have to turn on Einstein. So let's go to the Einstein setup and turn it on. Here just copy paste, and in the search box and click here, and let's turn this on. It's gonna take a minute. Okay, refresh the browser. Let's see what are the next steps. We have to enable the sales email. So let's go Einstein for sales. You can move on to the next. Okay, we have to make sure that both of these are enabled. Okay, in the quick find, click this. Einstein for sales. Okay, now we have to enable this. Okay, it's enabled now. It's gonna take up a minute, so just refresh it and let us move to the next. Now we have to go to the agent force agents. Okay, now we have to turn this on. In the quick find, just copy paste agent force and then click here, and we have to turn this on here. Okay, now refresh the browser again. Okay, now we have to create the coding agent. Let's create new agent, agent force employee agent. Next. Okay, let's click a new agent. A new tab will open. Do not close any tabs. Okay, so here it is. Now agent force employee agent, click here and click next. Here and check general fake button to remove it, and then click next. Uncheck it and then click next. Now let's copy the name. Coding agent. Okay, here it is. Oh, leave as is, leave as is. We have to copy the company and we have to check the box. Okay, copy the company and we have to check the box, and then what we have to do, click next, click create, click next, and just leave it as and click create. So it's gonna create our agent for us. Now we have to add the new management topic. So click new, add from asset library, select port management and finish. Okay, here we are. Let's click here, add from asset library, search here, click here and click finish. Okay, it's gonna load a bit, couple of minutes. Okay, it's added here. Now click activate, ignore and activate. So it's done. Click activate, ignore and activate. It's done now. So okay, now we have to provide. Uh, Now we have to test the agent. So let's test it. Refresh it. Click on got it and refresh. Let's and copy this text. Press enter. Wait for a couple of minutes. It's working. Analyzing. It's thinking a lot. In the meanwhile, if you don't see the code, try please show me the code. Okay, okay. Then we have to click this. Please show me the code. Okay, it has shown us the code. Now copy paste this prompt, and that's it. It's creating a code for us. Okay, it's added now. I think that's it for our testing. Now we have to give the sales rep access. Now let's go and go to the setup and go to the permission set. Okay, on the top left, let's go to the previous tab here. Permission set, let's go here and click new. Okay, we have to click new here. Okay, on the new here. Okay, now what we have to enter the name. Enter the name here. Leave it as is. Leave the license as none. Click save. Okay, let's save it as it is. Let's see. Agent force user. Now we have to click agent access. Okay, now here it is in the apps. Click here, click edit, click edit. Okay, now we are added. Select quoting agent, click add. We have to add this agent here. Save. Okay, click save. Oh, we have to save it. Click manage assignments here. Add assignments. Select the system admin you are logged in as next. Add assignment. And I'm gonna select myself. Okay, which one is the system demo test master? That is me. I'm gonna click here. Click next. Click assign. Click done. Click next. Click assign. Click done. Okay, we have assigned this permission set and enabled my coding agent. Okay, we have given our we have set up our coding agent access. Now we have to generate a code. I don't think we need to do that. We can just verify it. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. Okay, congratulations. Kindly support me by subscribing to my channel, liking and commenting that it has helped you, and also refer it to your friends. Only then I will have motivation to create more like this, and I will keep improving Thank you. Bye.